Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are coming at you with a rapid fire quiz where you can see and gauge how much you are ready to take a mains judiciary exam. It doesn't matter whether you're scheduled to take a mains exam or not, you should still be ready. You can see how good your preparation is. So today we will be asking you 5 commonly asked mains judiciary questions. These are often seen in the GK part of the mains, or they can even be in the PT or the interview stages for various exams. These are very commonly asked. They are shuffled in and out of various state exams. So these you should definitely know. So we will be asking you 5 common military operations of India which find themselves in GK questions for various judiciary exams. We will give you the name of a military operation in India and you will have 10 seconds to see if you know the answer or how much of it do you know, or if you don't know the answer at all. After 10 seconds, we will show you the answer and then you can see how good was your preparation. If you didn't know the answer, don't worry, at least you know where your preparation is. And if you knew the answer, that's great, you're on the right track, keep going and good luck. So without any delay, let's just get into this video and the operation names and answers will come on your screen. Brace yourself, get ready. This is an interactive quiz which you can take in the comfort of your home right now. Let's see how good you are in your preparation and how many questions can you answer. All the best, here it goes.